all the slime off. Put it in the bag. Guys, you might be wondering why I'm putting it in like this. It's because I had to inside it out. I have to close this first, Camera Girl. Why am I calling her Camera Girl whenever she's my cousin? Is this the one Grandma made? Yeah, this is the one Grandma made. It's a good texture. I was actually playing with it earlier. I don't really think this one needs any fixing. What was that for?
Something was stuck in my throat.
I'm gonna try not to cough. Fine. This is perfect. No, this one's crackles so good. The tiny slime though. Oh, the big ones. We're gonna do the big ones last, okay? No, I'm actually gonna do that one of them. The one I did? Or is it? You did this one? Yeah. Oh yeah, because I just did mine. Hers needs no fixing. Literally. No fixing. So on to the next slime. This might be our last slime. And you guys might have to watch part 2 to finish them all up. Okay guys? So this is going to be our last slime. I'm going to do a blue slime, which is actually a white blue kind of.
Last slime, you guys. Then you have to watch part 2.
Something's still stuck in your throat. It's a good slime. I'm not going to take all of it out though. It's hard.
The next one we will.
Big slimes into bags.
I think we'll post it today, just letting you guys know, because I'm not always here.
And I can't post.
Yeah, I'm the editor and that. She's just in the video because I don't like to be in videos. Sorry.
She's not even allowed to be. She can talk, but she can't be. Okay, I think this one will need more lotion. We'll add more lotion into that next time. What? You know you can just talk.
So yeah, this will be the end of the video. So bye guys.
Wait.
Watch part 2 and don't forget to like,
No, I'm
subscribe,
gonna
and hit
put
the
lotion in this
notification.
one.
Yeah, I guess you can. Don't
She's
forget to like,
crazy.
subscribe, and hit the notification bells so you get notified whenever she posts a video. So we're gonna go after she's done mixing all of this in.
I'm
because
stupid. I was about to put that in that.
Because we want to have a part 2.
Well, we kind of have to.
Yeah, because the video's already at 11 minutes and 23 seconds.
And we're filming on phone, so.
I have a